Hey, listen, this is what you tell homeowners to get them to list their home with you right now. As you know, in today's market, you've got to get listings. You've got to list to last. Very difficult if you're dealing with buyers because there's not a whole lot of inventory available. So what I want to show you is an approach you can use to get move-up buyers. These are buyers that are looking to sell their current home and then move up to a larger home. And the way we're doing this is we're showing them the best way to go about it, which is to sell on market and buy off market. I want you to write that down. Sell your home on the market, buy your home off the market. As you know, if you're buying a home that's on the MLS, there's probably going to be 8 or 10 offers. There's going to be bidding wars on it. And the only way you can get that home is if you outbid everybody else, meaning essentially overpay. What do I mean by overpay? You're willing to pay more than everybody else is willing to pay. That's how you're securing homes. We know that you make money when you buy, right? So what we're doing is we're showing them that selling their home on market, they can get 10, 12 offers. They can sell their home at a premium. They can cash out on that equity right now. You want to sell while home values are really high, while we're at a peak. So obviously that makes sense. The problem is, what if you have to buy a home at a peak? Well, you don't. You can buy a home off market. So utilizing our Dream Home Finder approach, we're actually going out and finding off-market or pre-market houses where they're the only buyer that knows that home is for sale. We've been doing this for quite a while. Obviously, the buyers come running for this if you can get them access to pre-market or off-market homes, and we're just utilizing our Dream Home Finder approach. So we have a letter that we send out to the neighborhood they're interested in. It says, we have a buyer that wants to buy in your area, and we're able to do that deal without it going on the MLS. No, it's not a pocket listing. They never agreed to list with us. They agreed to sell to our buyer, which obviously means that it's not a listing, right? It's simply much like a for sale by owner, other than we can get a full boat commission on that thing. So when you're talking to homeowners, their biggest frustration right now, they know they can sell at a premium. The problem is they can't find anywhere to move. So that's why they're staying put. It's why they're digging their heels in and they're saying, no, I can't find what I want. I'll just stay where I'm at for another couple of years. Well, it's going to be detrimental to their success because home values go up and they also go down. Right now is the time for them to sell their property. So if you remember this phrase, you want to sell your home on market and buy a home off market, that opens up a conversation. They're like, wait a minute, what do you mean by that? And if you know how to present our Dream Home Finder approach, I talk a lot about this, by the way. I'm doing a webinar coming up. Next time you see 4 p.m. Eastern time, you're going to see me on a webinar. You can actually join that for free. I'll be walking through that entire process. You can register for that at listmoresellers.com. It's probably in the description here somewhere, listmoresellers.com. But the goal for you is to show them how to sell their home on market, buy a home off market, and yes, we can start shopping for houses before you commit to moving at all. So yes, we can go out, we can start looking at unlisted or pre-market properties. There's no sign in the yard. It's not listed with an agent. There's no link that we can send you. You literally tell us area, neighborhood, price range, school district, amenities that you want. Our marketing team goes out and finds unlisted homes that you'd be interested in. That's what your offer is. That's how the Dream Home Finder works. And it is an absolute game changer for your business if you do this the right way, because sellers that don't want to move unless they find the perfect home, you can actually go find them the perfect home. So I want you to think about utilizing this in your own business. What you'll find, by the way, is if you get the right training on fixing your offer to the public, they're interested in the service you provide. Right now, the service you provide is like, I'll represent your best interest. And they're like, no, I don't want anybody to represent my best interest. I can do that on my own. I'll go through the listing agent. If you improve the offer you put out there, by the way, do you agree this is a better offer than what most agents use? If so, hit the like button here. Smash the blue thumbs up if you agree this is a better offer that buyers are going to be interested in. But I want you to think about the fact that it's going to get you more sellers because every seller is a buyer first. Okay, you've never been a car seller. You were selling your car after you found the car that you wanted to buy. That's when you trade it in, right? What's the same with housing? They're not going to list their house today, even if you sell it for 20% over appraised value and then be homeless tomorrow. That doesn't make sense. So it makes sense for you to show them unlisted or pre-market homes. You show them how to get access to that, you're going to see a tremendous difference in your response rates. You're going to be able to meet with them, show them what their current home is worth, get them excited about that, because timing is everything. Right now, you can sell your home at a premium. and you can buy your next home with a crazy low interest rate. So while interest rates are low, they need to get locked in on their next home. Move up buyers is where it's at. You're going to have a listing on the low end, a buyer on the high end, and that's 2 transactions. If you use the Dream Home Finder approach, you're actually going to get that seller too, so it becomes 3 transactions. You've got a listing on the low end, buyer and seller on the high end. This is how you get paid in real estate. It's what we have agents doing all over the country, no matter where you're at. By the way, leave a comment here and let me know what city and state you sell real estate. Go ahead and put it in the comments here. Many of you know we get referrals all the time. So type in the comments here, what city and state do you sell real estate in? We've probably got agents there doing this right now, taking business in all of these areas. I want you to use it yourself. I want you to get paid. It's only going to happen if you improve the offers that you put in front of the clients in your area. Improve that offer, they'll come beating out the door. You're going to see them coming out of the woodwork because you can find them homes they cannot find on the internet. Finally, we have an advantage that we didn't have a long time ago. Or I should say we did have a long time ago before Realtor.com and IDX and all that stuff. Now, you can show them homes they can't find anywhere else from any other website, any other service, or any other agent. You win, and you ultimately get their listing. So I want you to go check out that website right now. Register on the website. We're going to be doing a webinar at 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. That's 1 o'clock Pacific. Go there. Get registered right now. Listmoresellers.com. I think you'll find it incredibly helpful. I'm Greg Luther. Go out there and sell some houses. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.